More information about the application processor that will power Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra next year has surfaced thanks to a new leak that shows the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset's component arrangement. The leak, which was released by Sal LSAR and shared by former subscriber Jukonluzrev, suggests that the society will come in two flavors. Only Wi-Fi connection will be available on the SMN8750P. The ordinary version of the SM8750 will support new Wave 5G and sub-6 GHz bands. According to the leaked spec sheet, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 would support Universal Flash Storage 4.0, which offers read speeds of up to 4,500 megabytes per second and write rates of up to 4,000 megabytes per second. This contradicts rumors that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will support LPDDR6 RAM. Internal screens up to 3840 by 2560 at 144 Hz refresh rate will be supported by the chipset Adreno 830 GPU. Even though this resolution is considered 4K, few Qualcomm customers that are employing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 AP are anticipated to ship smartphones with 4K screens. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's unique Qualcomm CPU cores are the main difference between it and its predecessor. Using its second-generation 3M process node, TSMC is producing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, which is a departure from ARM license roots. According to recent leaks, depending on where you get the information, the chipset will cost between $190 and $240. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is expected to be priced somewhere in the upper end of this range, according to leaker Ice Universe, considering that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is under $200. 6 low-power Orient efficiency cores operating at up to 3.53 GHz will be paired with 2 high-performance Orient CPU cores that can reach clock rates of up to 4.32 GHz on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. At Duran's annual Snapdragon Summit, which usually takes place in late October, Qualcomm is likely to formally reveal a chipset later this month. I'm hoping the video is enjoyable. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.